Okay, I want to show you how you can create your Beatstore in 15 minutes. This is not a clickbait thing or something just to grab your attention. In reality, you could make this in 15 minutes or less. And the best part of this is that this is free. You don't need to pay for anything. You are just going to copy my template and paste it. Of course, you need to change your beats, your pictures, your colors, and your domain. And for that, I created a checklist for you just to tick the boxes to know what are the things that you need to do in order for you to have this website. Make sure you follow these steps for you to make this Beatstore really, really fast. Awesome. You're going to click on the link down below and you're going to see something like this, right? Step number 1, you need to create your free account, of course, on this thing. You're going to click here on the where it says click here, and then you're going to put your email and create your account. Simple as that. And step number 2 is you're going to click here, and when you click there, automatically you are going to have my template into your account. Now that you click on the step number 2, you should be able to see your Beatstore like this in your account. Okay, we are going to proceed to click here. This is just a template of a post. We are going to go to pages, and you see you have all your pages: homepage, about me, contact, post, licensing, fact, and all the stuff. We are going to go to blog layout. Right here you want to change your logo. After that, you should see right here the logo. Of course, you want to go here and you want to replace this clicking here, right? When you click here, you can find your images, or you could select your own images in your desktop. Simple, right? It goes like this, look for your logo, and then click open, and you should be able to see your logo right here, like this. And then you want to click insert, as simple as that. When you modify your logo, make sure that you click save changes. Otherwise, if you don't click on save changes and you exit, you're not going to see these changes made, okay? Now, I'm going to teach you how to modify the colors of your page really easy, also in a very professional way. My recommendation is that just pick 3 colors. Why 3 colors? Because this will be easy to see for the new visitor, and this will look professional, and when things looks professional, you build trust. Simple, right? For this, we are going to use this page called colors.co. So simple, just go to explore trending palettes, and you should see a lot of palettes for inspiration. I like this one, I like this one, I don't know, I like this one. So just try to choose just 3 colors. And right here, the cool part is that they have their own codes. For example, you could use this for letters, this for buttons, and this for background. Just like that, you have a really, really nice palette that combines really good for your website. Let's say that we are going to use this for letters. We are going to go here, and then we are going to settings, to text color, and we are going to paste the color of the text that we like from the palette. As simple as that. You could change backgrounds, you could change whatever on the website, but make sure that you just pick 3 colors, okay? Okay, now you don't want to have my name in your page. Now I'm going to show you how to replace my name for your name. We're going to go here, click edit. Right here, we are going to go down, and then contracts. You see that when I click this button, it says pop-up number 3. So we are going to go to pop-up number 3, which is here, and pop-ups, and then pop-up number 3, okay? So you want to change this name for your name. Just change this name, change that name. Right here, you're going to go down. It says Cabo Beats in some part. Yeah, right here, you want to change. For your producer name and your IP number, go down, go down. Right here, you want to change prod by and then your producer name. You are going to change all of these for every single license, every single pop-up. Pop-up number 3, pop-up number 4. So do the same, and so on. This is on the contract side. Of course, don't forget to click save changes. We're going to go also to about me, change your picture, change your story. You don't want to happen there. Save changes, and then exit this thing, and then go to licensing here. Do the same. Replace my name for your name, and then you're going to be to frequently asked questions, where it says in this question, right? You want to change your name right here. Also, you can change the terms and conditions and privacy policy. For that, I use a page called terms and conditions generator. Put your company name, your website name, your website URL, everything. Literally, this is going to give you a link. So you want to edit this in the blog layout. Let me show you how. Blog layout, and then right here, terms and conditions, and then click here on the link. You should see that this is a page of terms and conditions. The same goes for privacy policy. This is the same, right? Company name, website name, yada yada. Okay, now so far we changed the contracts, the about me section. We changed the terms and conditions and the privacy policy. let's continue with the rest of the checklist. Now I'm going to show you how to put your own beats. So you see right here that I put an element called raw HTML. You don't need any coding skills, nothing crazy. This is a drag and drop thing. You need to drag and drop this thing right here. And right here, you're going to see this little thing. To make the addition of this thing, just erase what is inside. Boom. If you decide to go with Bandcamp because it's free, you could do it. It's the same. Just go to share and then embed. You have different options. You have like this option. You have a standard option. Show track list. I would recommend you to use this because people could see all your beats. And basically just click here, go to editor and paste this thing, and boom, you have your beats right there. If you like, you could modify the width, the height, yada yada. So go here. Also, you could change the colors. The width, let's say that we want to 500, height 800, or like width 700. Right? You can do this. Copy, go back, make the additions of this, edit code, paste this thing, save. Yeah, you should be good to preview your beats. As simple as that. If you decide to use Beatstars, on Beatstars is the same. You go to media and then go to players, and inside players, any player works. You can copy the same code right here. You can go back and replace this with your Beatstar player. As simple as that. You see, it is a copy paste thing. So now you know how to put your own beats. Now you want to have your own domain. A domain is this www.prodbycabo.com, right? In this case, is my domain, Prod by Cabo. You want to have your own domain, which is yourpulsarname.com or whatever you want to call it. I would recommend you to purchase one domain. These are really cheap. In the case that you don't want a domain because you can afford $8 a year, which is fine, you could use the generic version of the site domain, which is systeme.io.yada yada and your name or something. In my opinion, I prefer to have my own domain because it looks nice. So to do this, I would recommend you to use Namecheap. This is what I use. I think that down below you could join Namecheap if I left the link down below. So it's simple. We are going to go to custom domains in the part that says settings, and then domains. And then in domains, we are going to add a domain. As simple as that. When we add a domain, actually it will ask you to put your www.your whatever domain, right? .com, .net, .io, whatever you purchase in name. So now you have that. It is going to show you some instructions like this. This is really simple. Now, when you have your domain name on Namecheap, let's say that you have right here your domain list. Right here, you're going to go to your domain, manage, advanced DNS, and you are going to add these two CNAMEs. Okay, let me repeat this again. You are going to add these two CNAMEs to these records. You're going to click add record, CNAME record, boom. And then right here, the first CNAME is going to be just everything before your domain.com. In this case, it's just www, right? Everything before that, www. And then target, we are going to go or copy and paste all these things. Simple, really simple, right? And then, of course, I already have this, so I'm not going to do this. So you're going to click save. That is going to be in your case. And then for the second one, okay, I'm going to erase this one because I already have this. It makes no sense if I add this twice or something. The second one is you're going to copy all this before the domain, right? You see, it's the same. Here, boom, and then the target is going to be this whole thing. Copy and paste, as simple as that. And then of course do the same, save changes. I'm not going to save this because I already have this. It makes no sense. Just wait for a couple minutes, and now when it's ready to use, you can have your own domain for your website. That's that. The last part is how to add your Gmail for you to receive emails if people want to contact you. Okay, it's simple. This tab right here that says contact has this information. So let's say that Drake wants to have a communication with you. Hey man, I love this beat. If Drake submits this, he expects that you are in contact with him. Okay, and this is what you receive. You receive an email from Drake, his name, and his message. So what you want to do is just this. Go to email settings, and right here in sender email address, you're going to just add your Gmail account. As simple as that. I would recommend you to add your own custom email. For that, I have a whole tutorial. It's really simple, but I just created a separated tutorial for that. But you can start with your own Gmail. Okay, this is everything. Now you should be able to have this Beatstore up and running. I tried to make all the steps really easy for you. Just let me know on which parts you feel that you struggle with these beat sales down below. Also, if you want me to create more content like this, subscribe and put the notifications bell for you to actually receive things that matter for you to make sales. The next part is how to get the right people to this Beatstore. You want to have a Beatstore, but you want to have a Beatstore that actually is being seen by rappers and singers and artists that actually are going to purchase your beats. See you in the next one. Peace.